do you notice a clicking or snapping sensation in your hip when you're doing this, or even when you're walking? Then what you might be having is known as an internal snapping hip syndrome. Well, there are many ways to address this condition. One of the simplest ways is to stretch and strengthen your hip flexors. Now, to stretch your hip flexors, get into a lunge position with the affected side on the floor like this. Now, rather than just lunging forward like this, what you simply can do is to just keep your chest upright and move your hips very slightly forward until you feel a nice stretch down along your hip flexors. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Now, to strengthen your hip flexors, one simple way is to go into a long sitting leg raises like this. Okay, shift slightly. Alright, so with the affected side, just get it to straighten up the knee and lift it up very gently like this. So you should feel a good, contraction right at the hip flexors. If you don't like this exercise or if it causes you pain, you can try another exercise with the band. So what we can do is called a resisted leg marches. So simply place this band in between your feet, around the forefoot, and hold on to the chair for support. What you can simply do is just to lift up your knee to about 90 degrees and feel a good contraction at the hip flexors. Now, it's really important to take note that there should not be any clicking or snapping sensation in your hips when you are exercising. So do be very mindful in selecting the best exercise to best suit your needs. I hope you find this helpful.